Ethereum is likely to grow 4.1% by May 24 per Crypto Predictions forecast. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. Ethereum is currently showing a 3.1% decrease over the last 24 hours and is priced near $2,065.69. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Traders Union sees the price heading toward $2,016.71 by May 24, about 2.5% beneath today's level. CoinLore suggests Ethereum could move toward $2,074, gaining approximately 0.3%. CoinCodex notes the price could advance to $2,097.25, marking an increase close to 1.4%. Another forecast from Crypto Predictions suggests Ethereum could reach $2,152.47. That's an estimated gain of about 4.1%. And in closing, Gov Capital Collector highlights a rise to $2,219.38 by tomorrow, with a 7.3% gain. This is the most profitable forecast reviewed. That's it for the 5 forecasts. Let's move on. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decrease of 2.5% to a gain of 7.3%. Looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector comes out on top with 7.3% boost in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might make between $3 and $73 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, CoinLore is ahead with a 79.9% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. The combined forecast position Ethereum at nearly $2,111.96. Let's crack this open. The consensus average implies a 2.2% increase by tomorrow. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 2.2% as part of that scenario. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $22 in gain. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 60.5% of materializing. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. Traders Union expects Ethereum to head lower. CoinLore highlights an upward outlook for Ethereum. Likewise, CoinCodex suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. Likewise, Crypto Predictions points to further upside potential. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector highlights a bullish outlook for Ethereum. Combining all perspectives, the consensus indicates an upward-leaning outlook, suggesting upward momentum in the near term. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for Ethereum. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? In the end, the closing candle marked $2,066. The final price showed that just one forecast captured the correct move. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by Digital Coin Price. Let's take it apart. A total of 4 predictions ended up inside the daily range. Looking at ROI, not everyone lost. The top positive result came in at 1%. Here's the complete report. All outcomes compiled into one simple view. For reference, Digital Coin Price posted a forecast probability of 80% accuracy and 0.4% ROI. Can you spot the forecast that held up best? Now take a look at how Ethereum ranks in tomorrow's expected profitability among several cryptocurrencies. Toncoin takes the first place with 8% and Ethereum stays behind. At this stage, Ethereum is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. And if you enjoyed the mix of different analyst views, give this video a like and subscribe for the next one. See you later.